little trees, this is Diamond Cute Charms! And today I received my package from my friend Daisy, Balls and Crafts. And this is her package, and it says Diamond Cute Charms, thank you so much. Balls and Crafts, right there, and her little bow. Oh, that's cute. I hope you like everything. I'm sure I'm gonna like everything. Let's open the package! Oh my god, today I'm so tired. I took my daughter to the dentist, and I just got home, and it was very... Ooh. So let's take everything out. So this is my purchase package from my friend, Balls and Crafts, Daisy. So this is the first one, the first item I purchased. This cute Hello Kitty. And it's wearing her swimsuit. And it's a real license. And it comes with this cute paper. And then I purchased this one. And this one is wearing a ladybug costume with flowers. So cute. And this one are like collectibles. So I like them. I like Hello Kitty. And then I purchased this one. This one has a guitar. And it's a little bit like a rock star. So cute. And then I purchased this one right here. And this one has a snowboard. And it's wearing a cute swimsuit. Super cuteness. I love Hello Kitty. I love it. And then I purchased this one. And this one is eating a popsicle. Super cuteness. Ooh. And it's wearing a cute dress. And it comes with this paper. And thank you so much, Daisy, for sending me all the papers. I only asked you for one, but that's awesome. Thank you. And then, whoa, she sent me this one as an extra. Thank you so much, Daisy, for this one. And this one is a huge one. Oh my god, I love it. Check this out. It's so cute. And this one has like a little thing for the pencil or something. I love it, Daisy. Thank you. And it comes with two cute butterflies. And then she sent me the stickers and her note is right here. She sent me this Blue's Clues sticker. Let me open her note. She put this cute heart right here. Ooh, that's super cute. And her big bow. I love it. Note for you. Let's see. And now she put... I love your writing. It says, hello, Diamond. Thank you so much for buying from me once again. Laugh out loud. I will try to look for the other 3 Hello Kitty charms for you so you can have the whole collection. Ooh, thank you so much, Daisy. And it says, I hope you like all the extras I send you. Thank you so much. Balls and Crafts, Daisy. Ooh. Thank you, and thank you for looking for the other ones, because yes, I want the whole collection of this one. Thank you. Well, and then she sent me as an extra these cute stickers. Love them. She sent me another of the Blue's Clues. I remember watching this Blue's Clues a long time ago. And then she sent me another one of the Blue's Clues. And she sent me this yarn. And it's perfect when I have to crochet or do some flowers. I have to start doing that again. Oh, and then she sent me this cute teddy bear right here. Super cuteness. She sent me 2 more. So yeah, this is my purchase package from my friend Daisy. Let me put it down so you can see everything. Yay! This is my purchase package from my friend Daisy, Balls and Crafts. Thank you so much. Go subscribe to her. She's an awesome friend. There's her username, Balls and Crafts. Thank you so much, Daisy. Talk to you later, little kitties. I hope you like my package, because I love it.